traditional song, an old one, from Appalachia. And this has been covered by everybody you can think of. It's called Long Black Veil. It goes like this. Here comes the lesson. Jimmy Dillon back with some acoustic guitar lessons. This one is a classic traditional song, been covered by a lot of people. Beautifully done by the band and many other people. It's called Long Black Veil. It's one of my favorites. This one, by the way, has a great sing-along chorus, and I try to include that in my lessons so that you can get an easy strum thing going. 10 years ago, on a cold, dark night, there was someone killed in town, alright. You were there, but they all agreed that the stranger who ran looked like me. She walks these hills in a long black veil. She visits my grave when the night winds away. Nobody knows and nobody sees. Nobody knows but me. Beautiful song. Great sing-along, by the way. If you're a beginning acoustic guitarist, this is really swell because you can just strum and that down, up thing. Again, it's all about the feel to make it really authentic. But the chords on this one are, and I'm choosing the same G that I like to, with the high D on the B string. So third finger, third fret, B string, pinky tucked underneath it. Let's get that nice chime going. And that's the special sauce that makes it all work. This one, the verse form goes nice easy strum, then to your D chord, straight to E. Goes to C. She walks, E's back to G. C. G. Again to C. Then it stays on the G. Nobody knows. Back to C. C to D, nobody knows, back to G, but me. So the key to these great old Appalachian kind of songs is that nice, really relaxed strum, not in a hurry. Now if you want to, if you're a little more advanced, and you want to do some little passing deals, you can do some little hammer-on. Those are the little things that kind of spice it up, if you will. You got your D string, so you're coming down with your first finger on your second fret of your D string. Very common kind of country blues lick. But that's what sets it up, see? Another one you can do, walk up from the low E, F sharp, G. So you see You're coming with your pinky on your 3rd fret of your high E, back to your D chord, then open up that high E string. See that? Okay, and then it's just your C and your G. The thing to remember about a song like this is really to be authentic and really do these correctly. Less is more. I mean, the air between the notes, between the chords, and to let the vocal shine through, whether it's a group vocal or a tender, you know, like a song, a verse where you're telling a story, right? This guy was in the arms of his best friend's wife, and that was his alibi when someone was killed beneath the streetlight. So it's a very dark murder ballad, as they say. So you want the strumming to reflect that. She walks these hills in a long black veil. She visits my grave where the night winds wail. And then the big payoff. Nobody knows, nobody sees, nobody knows but me. Probably wondering about that ending, right? That's kind of it's a little bit of a gospel ending. When we do kind of folky blues stuff like this, when we finally get to the final the final chorus, nobody knows, nobody sees, and then the big ending, nobody knows, instead of going back to the G, but go to the C. Walk the C down. So all those little walk downs and walk ups. They all kind of bring it together and kind of the connective tissue on a song like this. You'll notice that on the D string, if you want to, on the D chord, go. It's just your open D and your open A. And then to your C. You notice I did I covered these last 2 strings here, my pinky and my 3rd finger on the 3rd fret, on the C chord, which I showed you in Free Fallin'. Very nice. And the thing about these little technical things, if you're a beginner and you're just learning the guitar, don't worry about that stuff. Just play the D, the G the way you know it. Everybody knows that. Don't even worry about the big cowboy C. Because the main thing is to get you having fun with this stuff. That's the main purpose of what I'm trying to teach here. So the easy strumming, get in the mood of the song, right? Attack with your right hand too. You can get a lot of different tones by being close to the bridge, or you want to go soft. Well, you see a lot of guitar players moving up and down, especially acoustic. So there's a great song, Long Black Veil. I hope you liked it.